What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at how to build a basic calculator using Java programming. Now to do that we are going to use scanner. Scanner is to get the input from the user. Scanner, and I put my name for that, Taliban, is equal to new scanner system.in. This is to get the input from the user. System.in. Now if we are using scanner, we had to import scanner. That's why we have used this one, import java.util.scanner. You have to use this one, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, now the next thing is we are going to introduce some double type of variable. Here we are going to do the addition. So to do that, I'm going to introduce some double type of variable, because double is for the decimal point and those kind of numbers. So we can do that with double variables. Double, let's put fnum for the first number and snum for the second number, and whatever we are going to do the addition, and we are going to store that one in answer. Now let's see how to get the input from the user. To get the input from the user, first we have to give a prompt to the user. To give a prompt, I put system.out.println println, and then enter first num. So it's going to ask the user to enter the first num. So whatever the value the user enters is going to be stored in fnum. To get the number from the user, to get the number and store, I'm going to introduce fnum variable. That's all, we already here named it double, and that's equal to Taliban. That's the scanner name. Taliban dot next double. So the value the first number user enter is going to be stored in fnum. And we have to do the same thing for the second number. So I just copy the whole thing and paste it right here. And here we have to ask the second number from the user. So I put second num, and that one should be stored in snum. Now we have to add both of them. To do the addition, I create an equation right here. Answer is equal to fnum plus snum, and to print the answer value, we are going to put a system out statement, system.out.println, and since the variable is going to print, we shouldn't put the quote mark, we just put the answer. So the answer will be whatever the value is calculated by do this addition is going to be printed here. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this one. It's asking enter the first num. Since it's double, I can put some decimal point values like 14.89, something like that. Then enter the second num. Let's put 16.87 and enter. It's going to add these two numbers for you, and 31.76 is the final answer. And that's how we create a basic calculator using Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description. You can go ahead and get all the codes I have from that. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.